Dr. Anwarul Hoque poetry in the rain. Beneath the sky grey canopy I stand. A gentle whisper falls from heaven's high. Each raindrop kisses earth with tender hand. A symphony of tears from cloudy sky. The world becomes a mirror, wet and clear, reflecting dreams and shadow in the scene. A dance of droplet, soft and crystal clear. In every pool, a universe unseen. The rain, a poet's mouse, is reading fall, seeing lobbies to restless heart and mind. In its embrace, we find a peaceful call, a moment's pause, a breath from the light on feet. In the rain, the world, housed and still, a quiet joy, solace in the chill.